everyone, this is FX Nari. Nice to meet you. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a simple dissolve effect shader. The dissolve effect is widely used in games, especially for transitions, destruction, and magical effects. The model used in this tutorial was downloaded from Sketchfab. Here's the final result we'll achieve today. As I move the dissolve slider, you can see the shield dissolving. You can also customize the dissolve edge color. Alright, let's get started. First, create a new lit shader. Now, click it to open the shader graph editor. Let's set up the basic PBR properties. Create and connect the base map, metallic smoothness map, and normal map. Now that the PBR setup is done, let's check it in the scene view. Create a new material and assign the shader we just made. Looks good. We're now ready to add the dissolve effect. Create a dissolve noise map property and a slider to control the dissolve amount. Connect the sampled noise map value and the dissolve value into a step node. Make sure alpha clipping is enabled in the shader settings. This is essential for the dissolve effect. Now connect the output of the step node to the alpha input. Let's check the result in the scene again. Assign a suitable noise texture. When you move the dissolve slider, the mesh is clipped and starts to dissolve. But this alone looks a bit plain. Let's add emission to the dissolve edge to make it glow. Go back to the shader graph. Create a color property for the emission. Set it to HDR so it works properly with bloom post-processing. We'll use a smooth step node to shape the edge. Don't forget to add a thickness property to control the edge width. Multiply the smooth step result with the edge color and connect it to the emission input. Let's check the result. Oops, the edge mask is inverted. We need to add a 1- node after smooth step. Alright, that looks correct now. I'll make the edge color brighter to enhance the glow effect. However, there's a problem. When thickness is large, the glow appears even at dissolve 0. We can fix this easily by remapping the dissolve value. Instead of using a 0 to 1 range, we'll remap it from minus thickness to 1 plus thickness. Now replace the original dissolve input with the remapped value. Let's check it one more time. Can you see the difference? The unwanted edge glow at dissolve 0 is now completely gone. And that's it, our dissolve shader is complete. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.